I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. It's officially the last week of 2021, and to motivate you to start 2022 strong, I'm putting my half-year membership on sale. It's going for 50% off. I do this once a year, so now is the time. It includes unlimited access to every single video on my website, including all the new videos that I will be uploading monthly, and of course it includes the very popular 30-day courses, the Absolute Beginner course, the Gentle course, and the Total Body Intermediate course with Kathleen. I've also just launched my Absolute Beginner Cardio course. They're low-impact cardio routines for beginners. But the most exciting thing that I have coming up at the turn of the year is my nutrition guide and my app. The guide will help you create healthier habits as a total beginner. It'll have recipe ideas, portion size recommendations, and it's just a great companion to have with my workout routines. And the app will give you access to all my videos on any device. That will be dropping anytime now. I'm really excited to give you access. Head on to justinagustin.com, sign up today, take advantage of it right now. Can't wait to have you as a member.